All right, welcome back. This will be part 2 in trying to figure out the Subaru WRX clutch pedal noise. I bought a OEM clutch master cylinder. So if you, it's been a few weeks since I posted the last video, but in the last video, I replaced the clutch spring assist assembly, hoping that would fix it. That didn't fix it. So I believe it's the clutch master cylinder. If it's not that, then it's got to be the assembly that hold the pedal assembly, basically a bracket must be broken and a weld I can't see or something. Otherwise I kind of out of ideas at this point. But in this video I'm going to be replacing the clutch master cylinder in hopes that it fixes the issue. Guess we'll find out.
Like a razor stick, and I risk it instant. She suck at my with her lipstick. Ooh, check up on a bitch like a dipstick. Ooh, yeah, she on me like a misfit. Regular like a razor stick, and I risk it instant. She suck at my with her lipstick. Ooh, check up on a bitch like.
Well, I thought it'd be one of those cool videos where you just slap the part on the hood and bam, it's in, but we're not doing that. But I did find this sweet little guy here. Look at that. Probably can't even see it. So, we got a pellet gun. So we're gonna pull the bypass valve off. Intercooler's gotta come off. I mean, basically that's it. Pull some hoses. Intercooler comes out, and then we can get to our master and slave on top of the transmission. Now we got the intercooler pulled off. We can see our clutch master cylinder and slave on top of the transmission. So now we need to pull the 2 bolts out of there, pull the line off of this, and then go inside and pull out the pin connected to the pedal assembly. And this should pop right out. It's a little bright, but that pin right there that I'm pointing the camera at, pull that guy out, and then remove the 2, I think they're 12s, I'm not really sure, but told me to run nuts on the back side, or on the other side of the firewall, and you should be able to pull this guy out. But he came out to the property to help out.
That's bright.
Yeah, it is. Looking pretty white.
Oh, man.
Glazed up.
Damn it. How's the stash look though?
Looks good.
Yeah? Oh, it hurts.
Oh, I got the master in. Everything's hooked up. Now it's time to bleed. It's installed. It's bled.
Oh my god.
Let's see if it makes any noise. Psych. It still made the noise after we replaced it. But it turns out the pedal assembly has a tube that runs through it, and it turns in there, and the welds can crack. I think I mentioned that in the first video. I can't really remember, but I sprayed a whole lot of liquid wrench in there, and now it doesn't make any noise. So we got a new master, some spring assist, didn't do anything, but let me tell you,
It needed a new master anyways.
yeah, the fluid was like black inside, but besides
and we tried
that,
to clean it like 4 times.
yeah, but besides that, if you go to a hardware store and buy yourself a $5 can of PB Blaster, WD-40, liquid wrench, blast that tube where the
Rod goes across.
rod goes across from the master into the tube, pump the pedal a couple times, you got yourself no more squeaking. So we learned a couple things today, but that's
Hey,
all right.
You know, do what it do, huh?
Hey, it doesn't.
Makes a teeny bit of noise, but it's not the same noise.
I don't know if it'll pick it up on here, but yeah, it's from the fork touching the slave. I think that little ball, it's a little ball on the end of that, right?
Yeah, just needs to be greased.
Yeah, I think it probably needs some grease on there, but good to go.
Hey.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully you can fix your Subaru squeak.
If not, you suck.
He said that, not me.